For math videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
So today we are going to see chapter number 15, that is probability, and today is 3rd of July 2020. Here we are going to solve exercise 15.1. In the first question it says that in a cricket match a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. So 6 times is the boundary hit. And there are 30 balls. She plays 30 balls. Find the probability that she did not hit the boundary. So she did not hit out of 30 balls, she did not hit the boundary for 24 times. 24 times she did not hit the boundary. So probability will be number of balls not hitting boundary upon total number of balls. This way you have to write number of balls not hitting the boundary, that is 24, upon total number of balls, that is 30. So it will be 24 upon 30. When you take in the reduced form, 4 upon 5. So this is your answer. Please note it down. Now we have the second question. There are 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Question number 2, 15.1. There are 1500 families. And out of which 2 kids are selected. So they got the observation that number of girls. This is the question. Number of girls. If there are 2 number of girls, then number of families will be 475. If in the family, out of the 2 kids, there is 1 girl, then there are 814 families out of 1500. If there is no girl, there are 211 families out of 1500. So 475 families out of 1500 have 2 girls, which is girl and girl. 814 families out of 1500 families are such that there is 1 boy and 1 girl. 211 families are such that both the kids are boys and there is no girl in the family. There are 475 families which have got 2 girls, 814 families which have got 1 boy, 1 girl, 211 families which have got both the boys, there is no girl. So the question is asked, compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls. अच्छा, इसमें 2 girls हो, ऐसी families कितनी? Very simple. 475 families which have got 2 girls out of 1500. 475 upon 1500. You take the reduced form and then afterward you get 19 upon 60. It is compulsory to get into the reduced form. It is very much compulsory to get into the reduced form. The second question which is asked there, probability of having 1 girl. So that will be 1 girl, 814 upon 1500. So it will be 814 upon 1500. When you take the reduced form, you will get the answer 407 upon 750. You have to cut it. Reduced form, simple form. Okay. The third question is no girl means zero girls. Zero girls means 211 upon 1500. And then you have to get the third answer. This is where you solve the second question. Okay. Third question, you have to do it by yourself. Let us come down to the fourth question of exercise 15.1. Question number 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. In this question, it is written 3 coins, coin 1, coin 2, coin 3. 1, 2, and 3 coins are tossed simultaneously with different frequency. Okay. See, either you get heads, heads, heads. Either you get heads, heads, tails. Either you get head, tails, tails, or you get tails, tails, tails. Here there are 3 heads, here there are 2 heads, here there is 1 head, here there is no head. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes for heads in the event. Now, in the question, the outcomes are given. That outcomes are given like if there are, see, these coins are tossed together, 1, 2, 3. That is called one event. They are tossed together, 1, 2, 3. So they are one event. So 200 times this was done. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These coins were tossed 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 200 times. 200 times these 3 coins were tossed together. Simultaneously means tossed together. Okay. Now, if there are 3 heads that come, 3 heads possibility यहाँ पे H, H और H आए, ऐसी possibility 23 है. 2 heads if they come, it is 72. 1 head if it comes, it is 77. And all the possibilities are tails. So it is no head, which comes up to 28. So these are the possibilities. Now, if the 3 coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of 2 heads coming up. 2 heads coming up. Very simple. 2 heads upon 200. So, the answer will be 72 upon 200. When you cut it into the reduced form, it becomes 9 upon 25. This is your answer. Probability 5th question I have already taught you. 6th is your homework. Let us come down to the 7th one. Seventh question. Number 7. To know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students was conducted. The data recorded in the table given at the right. How many of them like out of 200 students? 200 लोगों को पूछा गया. How many of you like statistics? say that 135 of them said that we like statistics. And how many of them dislike? ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं जिनको नहीं पसंद. 65 are there which dislike statistics. So the probability was asked that find the probability that the student chosen out of these like the statistics, like the stat subject. So it was 135 upon 200 and does not like. So it was 65 upon 200. When you take the reduced form of this one, you get 27 upon 40. And when you take the reduced form of this, you get 13 upon 40. You have to cut by 5. 5 13s are 65 and 5 40s are. So rest of them are activity questions and from the examples which you have to solve it looking into the example of your textbook. By this we complete our exercise of 15.1.